So hi guys, this is my first ever crochet video and tutorial, and I'm gonna show you guys how you do the Jasmine stitch pattern, which I've done here, and I use this to do it. You can see I use this to crochet it with, and I use 3.5 millimeters to crochet this with. So I'm gonna show you guys how you do the crochet pattern my way. So let's start with the tutorial. So I'm gonna be using 4 millimeters, and I just grab the random yarn, and you start with doing the start, which you do a little loop and a hook, and then grab it in. Tip is to hold the end so it doesn't disappear. And first you do one stitch, regular stitch, like that, and then pull it out, the yarn, like this. So you have one here, and you grab a hold of this, you go under here, grab one, go out, do it one more time, grab it, pull out. Now you have 5 here, and what you're gonna do, grab a hold of this, you can have a little loop here, and you hold that, you go through, you grab this that you're holding on to, and you take yarn and pull through both of them and lock it. And then you do a regular stitch like this, and you repeat. So you grab one, this counts as 1, then you go in, and it's 2, and 3, and you repeat. You grab hold of this loop, go through, do it again, and you lock it, and do another loop or stitch, whatever you call it, and you're gonna repeat this. So you do the length that you want it to be, and I'm gonna do 4, and you have to have an even number. You can't do it with an odd number. So I'm gonna show you how you do after this. Do one more like this, grab into this, 1, 2, and 3. And then you're gonna grab hold of one, and you hold this. You go into this little loop here before the big bubble, and you go into them like that. Grab a hold of one, 1, 2, and 3. So now you have these 2 like that, and you just hold on to it. Then you go in this loop after the bubble. You do the same thing. 1, 2, and 3. And then what you're gonna do, you do another one of these, and you hold it so you don't lose it, and you go through all of these. Like that. Now you're gonna do grab hold of that, pull so it's not so long anymore. And you go through these two and lock it and do stitch. Then you do 1, 2, and 3, and you hold it on. And you do grab on one of these. Gonna do the same here. One, 2, 3. I'm sorry this looks so messy. I'm just trying to do it fast so you guys can show the so I can show the basics of how you do it. And I can barely see what I'm doing too because my vision is so bad and I'm kind of far away. And you're gonna repeat it after the stitch right there. Do it 1, 2, 3. So you can see here's a little flower, the first one you did. Because this yarn is so thick, it kind of looks weird. It just looks like a bubble. But as you can see, this yarn was thinner and it looks like flowers. So you know the difference of the yarn makes a difference. So now you have 3 things on here and you're gonna lock it. Grab a hold of this, pull like that, and hold on to it. You go through them all. As you can see, I think I messed up because I grabbed 2 of them. I don't know if you can see, but it doesn't really matter. I will lose it when I go through this. You grab hold of the loop and you pull. You go through them like that. Oh, I messed up. And you do a loop, or not a loop, a stitch. And you're gonna repeat this to the end. And now when you're here at the end, you're gonna grab this one that you started all with, go through it and do it again. So 1, 2, and 3. So now you have done the basics, and your little Jasmine stitch looks like this. So now I'm gonna show you guys how you could continue to do it. So you turn it, so you're on this side, and you're gonna do one more on this one. So you go 1, 2, and 3. And now you're gonna lock this. You do that every time you turn. You're gonna do that. Hold on to that, go through like that, and you lock it. Then you do stitch, regular stitch, and you continue. You do 1, 2, and 3. You hold on to that. You begin new and this middle of the flower. The first stitch, you see there's 2 right there. You go through there, and 1, and 2, and 3. And now what you're gonna do, go through the end of the flower on the 2 stitches right here. Go through there, go 1, 2, and 3. You grab a hold on this, go through, and you lock it. So you could continue this throughout, so I'm gonna show you how you do it. So now it's in the ending, and you do the same. You go through the flower, grab a hold of them, you do 1, 2, and 3. And in the end, you have here, you grab a hold of them, you do 1, go through the ending there, 1, 2 and 3. You hold on to the yarn, you go through it all, if I can manage to do that, like that. Grab a hold on it and you pull, you lock it. So that's basically how you do the Jasmine stitch. This is like a messy version of it because I wanted to show it fast, as fast as I could. This is, you know, more work to do, and this is a hard. I should have probably started with simple crochet stitches or pattern, but I wanted to do the Jasmine stitch because I think it's so beautiful, and I actually learned how to do this on a tutorial on YouTube, but I made it my way, and you know, just made it my way. So that's a cool thing. You can watch this, but you may change some things because you think that that's more easier, or you like it how it looks like more better the version you do it. But this is my first ever tutorial on how you do crochet, so I hope you guys enjoyed it, and I hope you guys learned how you do the Jasmine stitch. And if you want, you can send me pics on Twitter if you did it, and I will be happy to see them. But I hope you guys like this video, and comment down below if you want me to do more tutorials on how you crochet. I'm only 19 and I've been crocheting for like 10 years. So yeah, I hope you guys like this video and hope to see you guys in my next one. And bye. Bye!